Here is a 1985 Alaska ceiling fan, 42 inch. Got this at Habitat a couple weeks ago with the fellow YouTuber, the Fanlore Man. I got this along with the Moss TFB 42 ceiling fan. It goes low, medium, and high, and here is low. Kind of a bit of a buzz if you can hear it. Probably can't. Yeah, you see how bad the blades are. Here, medium. Oh, the down rod's not original. Originally, it was hugger mounted. That took some time to get that off because it has a nut on it. The nut was jammed. Here's high. This thing flies on high. There's the blades again. Well, I'm not going to do a full video of the coast down because it took 3 minutes and 4 seconds for the coast down. But I can do updraft. And it's got stencil on it. Here's high and up or low and updraft. I didn't do updraft on this before, so who knows how it's going to play. Here, medium. Got more of a hum on updraft. Right here now. Here's high. Then off. Back to downdraft. Ouch. Alright, I'm going to cut the video right here. So, this concludes the video of the Alaska ceiling fan.